Welcome to our channel, and so glad you visited today. If you are new to our channel, I want to give you a big welcome, and my name is Teresa. Today's DIY project is going to be a really easy, inexpensive, and fun one. We're going to take some scrap fabric and a strand of lights, and we're going to make a pre-lit garland. This is going to make a great accent piece for your Christmas decor. So I hope y'all enjoy the video, and I hope you get lots of Christmas inspiration. If you haven't joined my Facebook home decor page, I'd love for you to go over and join it at Our Green Acres Home Decor and DIY Inspirations. Also, go over and follow me on Instagram. Alright, let's get started. I got a string of lights. There's 20 on this one, and I use white since I'm going for the Shabby Chic, but you can also use green or any color lights you want. You'll want to take some strips of fabric, and I use scraps. You'll need one cat to help on this project. Okay, now that we got the kitty cat down, back to our project. I cut my strips of lace and fabric about 10 to 12 inches, but you can make it, your strips as long or short as you want. And basically you just want to tie them on. I just tied mine in a knot, but you could also, loop them on if you'd rather, do that. And just go all the way down the string of the lights. And then when I got done, if I had any that were a little bit too long, I just went around and I trimmed those. Now the options here with your fabric and your lace, you can use just about anything. You can get real creative. You can go more of the cozy theme and farmhouse and use flannels. You can use buffalo check, plaid, twine. You could even put raffia on it. So you can pretty much just do whatever theme you want in whatever color. So y'all just sit back now. I'm going to stage it for you. I'm going to show you some ways that we can use it, because this right here is such an easy and inexpensive piece, but it's such a great accent piece for our Christmas decor. I also want to mention, for fire safety reasons, just always make sure any kind of fabric and the lights you use are compatible, because always safety is first. Hope you're enjoying the video so far, and if you are, please hit that like button. It really helps out our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we'd love for you to. And also, y'all, we got a new look. We got a new logo. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we'd love for you to. And also, if you know someone that would enjoy this video, please share it with your friends and family. And until the next video, I hope y'all have a great week, and I will see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching, y'all.